Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how we split the multiple tabs of our Chrome. If we have a multiple tabs in our Chrome, we split it into multiple parts. So it's very easily you can do it without any extension and any software. So it's for this simply go to the Chrome and here I'm going to open the multiple tabs, and if I'm going to open another tab I would say is the Google again, Google, and like this. Okay, here I have a four different tabs and I want to split this into four different parts. It's very simple. So you simply click on the tab, like you need to hover on this and then click on the left button from your mouse. Just click on this and just drag and drop this simply. Just like this. If you want to resize this, you can simply go to the at the bottom, just drag it down, and here you can see its size is short. And again, if I wanna this file in the sample and next tab I wanna split this, again I'm going to just hover on this, click on the right button from your mouse and just simply drag it. Okay, and again we are going to focus on the same path like this. Sorry, it's not going upside. Yeah, here you can see I decreases its size, and now again I'm going to same process for this part. Again I'm going to drag this and shorten the size, and same goes for this. It has only one single tab, and again I'm going to decrease its size. Oh, sorry. And so here we have three different tabs. We simply resizes this and show you in three different parts. By following this simple step, but simply drag and drop, you can split your tabs. So to get more videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.